Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a Google Sheets shortcut to your desktop. So here, just open the spreadsheets or the Google Sheets page on your browser and find the three dots icon at the top right corner. Then click on the save and share button. So just scroll down until you find this save and share, and there will be an option to create a shortcut. So after this, you can just name the shortcut and click on this create button. Okay, after that, just find the shortcut on your desktop. So this one's right here. This is the shortcut that I just created. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.